I feel very happy today, terribly honored to receive this very prestigious award. And I'm here with, yes, His Excellency, the Governor of Assam, and here we have. I really feel a deep connection with the people of Bodoland, the Bodos, and the Assamese at large. So as I go home now today, I take back all the love that I've received, and I will carry that love back to all the Bhutanese who will love you even more. Thank you.
Ma'am, this both countries are the traditional friends center. Can you say something about the Prime Minister Modi's initiative for the strengthening of this friendliness between the both countries? Can you say
Yes. I think this is really, a start, because everything starts from people to people, whether it's from Prime Minister to Prime Minister, from our King, basically, who has the highest of love and respect for your people here. And everything starts from people to people. A day like this, a connection like this. So right from the top to all of us here, I think the connection has been made for greater friendship between our two countries and two peoples.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.